Today we're going to be visiting Kaaterskill Falls. This is in upstate New York, right around the Catskill Mountains area. This is the parking lot you have to park by right here. The cars go up and down the road. Some drive slow, some drive fast. It's a little tricky getting to, but again, they got an area here for your park. You cross the road, and you have a little path you can walk down for part of the ways. Remember, we're going to Kaaterskill Falls here. This is the largest two-stage waterfall in New York, the tallest two-tier waterfall in New York. It's really a stunning, magnificent waterfall. We're going to go there and visit, and here we go. It's kind of dangerous walking on the road getting there. Now that previous section I just showed you where the people walking down the road, I wanted to show that to you so you know that this can be a little dangerous area till you get to the hiking site. These cars going by there, just be very careful. Stay as far off the road as you can. And here we go. This is where you turn down into the hiking trail. Now this hiking trail is about a half-mile long. It goes up the hill, but it's steep and it's rocky. So even though it may be a half a mile up the hill, it feels like 2 miles. Now, you got to show respect. You must show this hiking trail respect because it's tricky, rocky terrain. Playing around, goofing around can cost your life. A couple people have died goofing around up there. They got too close to the edge and they fell off, so you have to be careful. Now, as I said, it's a half a mile up to the major waterfall, which is called Kaaterskill Waterfall. As I said, it's the highest two-tier waterfall in New York. If you're in shape, this hike is relatively easy. But if you're not in shape, this half-mile hike up this steep and rocky terrain can be a very, very tough day for you, even dangerous if you're not careful. So be careful. So from this point on, I'll show you some short little clips of the hike up there, and when we get there, it's a half a mile up the steep and rocky trail to the Kaaterskill two-tier waterfall, the tallest one in New York. So let's go ahead and take this hike.
Sad later. These people going to take my life. Not today. Yeah,
Hey boo, hey boo.
What a cutie. Alright, let's combine it back on. Come here. Oh, you're okay. Let's go. How old is he? Just about 2.5. So small. Yeah. This didn't have much fun.
How'd you do it?
He's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Is he there?
I was going, yeah.
Wow, he really climbed there.
Yeah.
I don't ever go there. I don't think we've ever gone there.
I've gone there.
I gotta make a note right here. You see the second tier level up there. They've shut the stairs off. The trail that goes up there to the right side, they have stairs. That set of stairs have been shut down because there's been a couple accidents, a couple deaths. So these people you see up there waving now, they have to make it there over to the left side. And it's really a creative little hike. You have to go over. There's no trail there, so you have to really work hard to make it up there to the second pool. And that second pool up there at the second level is a lot bigger than the pool down where I was at in the first level. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little hike up to Kaaterskill Falls, the largest two-tier waterfall in New York. And I'll leave you with this. I don't know what kind of bird this is. It looks like a little yellow canary or something. A really tiny canary. Strange thing is, he let me film him. I got up real close to this bird, and then it followed me halfway down the trail. It was amazing. I would walk a quarter of a mile, and this bird would walk right with us. It was so strange that this bird, it's almost like this bird was tame or something, and he was following me. But I think he's a wild bird. Again, I hope you enjoyed this trip up to Kaaterskill Falls. Oh, and one more little tidbit of information I found out when I was up there. I was told that there's a lake. There's a lake that feeds this waterfall. The lake is called the North-South Lake. Again, all this water is coming from that lake. It feeds the waterfall. Now, the secret that a lot of people don't know is that the people who take care of the North-South Lake there's a valve there. They can actually turn the water off on this waterfall. I didn't know that. A guy who worked at the lake, a guy who used to work at the North-South Lake, he told me the secret. There's a valve there, and they can actually turn the valve down and make this waterfall look like a trickle. So if you ever go up there one day and there's just a trickle of water flowing from the waterfall, well, you know that they turned the valve off over at the lake. Because again, this Kaaterskill waterfall is fed by the North-South Lake. And I thought that was pretty interesting, because you never know. You take a half-a-mile trek up there and it's trickling down, well, you know somebody's playing with the valve. Again, thanks for watching the video.